What is a freelance proposal?
A freelance proposal is your pitch to a potential client. It outlines what you can deliver, how you will solve their problem, and why you are the best choice. A great proposal communicates your understanding of the client's needs and sets you apart from the competition. Crafting a strong proposal is key to winning freelance jobs on popular platforms.
What should you include in a proposal?
Focus on clarity and relevance. Always address the client's project requirements directly. Introduce yourself briefly. Outline your approach. Mention relevant experience and provide a clear timeline. If possible, share samples and testimonials. Conclude with a professional sign-off and a call to action that invites the client to respond. Avoid generic or copy-paste text.
How do you personalize each proposal?
Read the job post carefully to tailor your response. Use the client's name if provided. Mention specific project details and explain how your skills or past work relate directly to their needs. Personal touches show genuine interest and effort, making your proposal stand out against more generic submissions.
What mistakes should you avoid?
Avoid being too vague or overly technical. Don't send generic proposals, ignore the client's instructions, or make unrealistic promises. Spelling and grammar mistakes reduce professionalism. Keep your writing concise and positive. Respect clients' budget and timeline. Properly addressing these pitfalls increases your chances of success.
How can you improve your win rate?
Consistently refine your proposals based on feedback and results. Track which strategies work best and learn from unsuccessful pitches. Invest time in your portfolio and client communication. Respond promptly to messages. Over time, a focused approach and professionalism will help you win more freelance projects and build lasting client relationships.